You have AI tools. Your teams are using them, and you're still getting your work stuck. The problem is not AI. The problem is where it lives. Most AI tools sit outside the workflow. You get output, you still need to integrate, you still chase status, and you are still the bottleneck. Hi, my name is Dimitri. I am the founder of Kanban Zone, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what it looks like when AI truly lives inside the workflow, not in a separate app. This is not a slide deck. This is the board my team uses every day to manage our content and SEO. Real work, real people using AI agents. Let me show you. This is our content management board. Every piece of content we produce starts here as a card and moves through the workflow. The columns represent the stages of our process from backlog through published. Each card is a real commitment with a real owner. This is not a demo board built for this video. This is how we actually run content at Kanban Zone, and this is where our AI agents live. Inside the system, not beside it. This is the guide agent and where I start my day because I need a starting point and I get it from clicking today's focus. In seconds, it services what I need and it gives me a prioritized starting point on the actual state of the work. No status meeting, no manual triage. I just start the week knowing exactly where to focus. Here is a card that has been waiting for a few days because something is preventing the team from moving it forward. This is one of the most common reasons why work stalls. Not because the team is blocked, but because the card is not clear enough, so I clicked on Define Outcome from the card agent. Watch what it does. It reads all the card data and the workflow context around it. It does not start from a blank prompt. It starts from the actual state of the work. It proposes a clearer description and title, and I choose to apply the title suggestion. This is only one example of what the card agents can do. Now I want to show you what we call level 2 of AI in Kanban Zone. This is the flow agent. It lets you build custom AI agents for specific stages of your workflow, not by writing code, but by having a conversation. Let me show you by clicking Design a New Agent. For now, I need help with getting image ideas for my content. So I explain this to the flow agent by typing my request. It starts thinking and seeks to better understand my needs by presenting clickable chips. In this case, I like one of them, so I'm going to click it. I continue the conversation with one more question, and then you will see the flow agent is going to propose the feature image suggester agent. I know it's a mouthful, but I promise you can change the name later. For now, I just want to create my agent and see what it can do. So the flow agent is presenting me the final version. So I have that last chance to make corrections. I'm going to review it and simply click Create Agent. The agent is not active yet. That's for me to select to prevent any agent from running without a human review, which is what I'm looking at right now and where I can edit my agents. Now that I love it, I'm going to click Active and I'm going to close this window and start using it. So these agents can be assigned at the column level, which is what I'm doing now, or it can be assigned with an automation or a task. Now I will show you how agents run from within the workflow. Two columns have this AI icon where I can see exactly what agent is assigned to each of these columns. All I need to do is move a card in the first column. The card is there, it's running. Nobody had to remember, nobody had to ask, the workflow triggered it. If you open the card, you'll see that the SEO brief agent added a comment with everything needed for the SEO. This is AI doing the preparation work so that the human can focus on the writing, which is what it's going to do next. To complete this, I'm now going to move it into the second AI column where the agent we just created is now running. Let's see what happens when I open this card and look at the second comment. Now, I could have put checklist, I could have edited the description, I could have done a lot of things, but I chose to do another comment. Now, let me show you the Insights agent, which focuses on our metrics to improve your workflow. It has been analyzing how work moves across this board. So let's click Predictability chip to see how it can help. For this board, it found that the throughput is low and aging cards seem to be the problem. So I click on the second chip about aging cards. This is a great example of one agent switching to another agent to continue the investigation. As you can see, the guide took over and is now analyzing the cards that are aging the most, as well as letting me know where to focus. I can now click a card to trigger the card agent and continue my work. One more agent to show you. It's the board agent. You can trigger it from the Add Board button to create a new board, and it will go through a short set of questions to build the board you need. You can also chat with it to improve your existing board, and I'm sure you'll discover all this during your free trial. So one principle runs across everything you just saw. Nothing changed in this system without a human reviewing it first. Every agent suggestion is visible. Every output is reviewable. You apply what works. AI suggests, you decide. This is not a limitation. This is what makes this trustworthy enough to run inside a real business. So, this is how we run our work every day at Kanban Zone. Humans and AI working together in the same workflow. If you want your business to run the same way, with AI actually moving work forward instead of just generating a bunch of output, start your free trial today. Within minutes, you will be able to set up your board and have your first agent running. AI needs workflow. This is how it looks.